Get ready Archdiocese of Tororo. Get ready Eastern Uganda. It is a big celebration that you shouldn't miss. All of you come, let's join Archbishop Obbo and the entire Catholic community of the Archdiocese of Tororo for this year's Mega Family Day celebration this Saturday, 23rd November 2024 at Uganda Martyrs Cathedral, Nyangole. The theme of this year's celebration is Family in Synodal Communion, bringing together all of us Christians of Tororo Archdiocese as we thank God for 70 years of our diocese, 25 years of our archdiocese, and 10 years of Archbishop Obbo's inspiring leadership. On this very day, the Archbishop will also launch the construction of our new cathedral. Come, let's celebrate together as one big and happy family of Christ. It is this Saturday. Don't miss, because we are all one big family.